Today's editorial is Equal Stakes. This editorial emphasizes on the importance of accommodative politics, so its reasons and logic revolve around the pivot of accommodative politics. Further, it advises Bharatiya Janata Party to re-examine its approach towards representation in the Council of Ministers after the death of Ram Vilas Paswan and the resignation of Ms. Badal. Now I will read the editorial for you. Accommodative politics is often the result of expediency, but it holds intrinsic value. Although accommodative politics is the result of expediency, that is, suitability governed by self-interest. Expediency is suitability governed by self-interest, but it has essential value. It has intrinsic value. For the first time in nearly 25 years, all members of the Union Cabinet are from a single party, the Bharatiya Janata Party. How this state has arrived? The editorial explains it. The death of Lok Janshakti Party leader Ram Vilas Paswan, 3 weeks after the Shiromani Akali Dal's Harsimrat Kaur Badal resigned from the cabinet in protest against legislation that her party sees as anti-farmer, has suddenly created this situation, but it has been in the making for a while. And now the editorial discusses the case that happened a year ago. In 2019, the Shiv Sena's Arvind Sawant resigned from the cabinet after the party broke with the BJP. In 2014, the BJP won more than half the seats in the Lok Sabha, the first time a single party won a majority since 1984. In 2019, the party increased its tally and is not dependent on any other party for the government's survival, though it has at least 2 dozen allies in the NDA. These 2 dozen allies include Janata Dal United in Bihar, Assam Gan Parishad in Assam, All India Anna Dravide Munnetra Kazhagam in Tamil Nadu, and like there are small parties also. Alliance politics had come to be derided as a sign of instability, indecision, and policy paralysis in the dominant discourse of Indian politics before 2014. As we can see, during UPA 2, this alliance politics had come to be derided. Deride means to mock, to ridicule, to taunt. Before 2014, alliance politics had come to be mocked as a sign of instability, indecision, and policy paralysis. We can recall an incident when policy paralysis was used in 2012. Prime Minister Manmohan Singh's economic advisor Kaushik Basu talked that the government is not going to take any major decision till 2014, and that statement was used by the Bharatiya Janata Party as a policy paralysis. Instability, indecision, and policy paralysis was very much in the air before 2014. Conversely, the emergence of a single party's dominance was welcomed as a new era of stability and decisiveness. The BJP chose to be more triumphalist than gracious in its victory. Here we have the word triumphalist. Triumphalist behavior is behavior in which politician or organization celebrate a victory, especially when this is intended to upset the people they have defeated. So the editorial says that BJP in its victory was more triumphalist than gracious. Decisions of far-reaching consequences such as the changes in the status of Jammu and Kashmir and eligibility of citizenship were made with no inputs from regional political groups including its own allies. To substantiate the viewpoint that BJP chose to be more triumphalist than gracious, the editorial gives two examples. One is the abrogation of Article 370 and the other is Citizenship Amendment Act, and says that no inputs from regional political parties including its own allies were taken. Involvement of regional and smaller parties will only make governance more robust and inclusive at the national level. It is a statement and by and large true, but there may be many aberration or deviation from this statement. The tendency to consider regional forces as a hindrance to a national vision is not the BJP's creation, though it amplified it. Considering regional forces as a hindrance to a national vision is not the BJP's creation. It is the creation of Congress, but BJP has amplified it. The emergence of regional and communitarian politics is in part a response to the Congress' failure to be sufficiently sensitive and accommodative of various social and linguistic groups. How these regional parties emerged? As the National Party didn't take into consideration the aspiration of various social and linguistic groups. SAD leader Sukhbir Badal flagged this SAD leader Sukhbir Badal flagged this as a lesson for the BJP that domination can easily lead to a total collapse. In the case of the BJP, its parliamentary majority itself is concentrated in the north and the west of India and among particular communities. There is a strong case for the party to be more accommodative towards regions and communities that are not part of its political map. The party has taken some steps such as inducting Nirmala Sitharaman, a Tamil, and V. Muralidharan, a Malayali, in the Union Council of Ministers, though the BJP is not dependent on Tamil Nadu or Kerala for its parliamentary majority. Stability is only enhanced when the stakes are widely distributed in a polity. The situation created by the death of Paswan and the resignation of Ms. Badal opens an opportunity for the BJP to re-examine its approach to regions and social groups. Adequate representation in the Council of Ministers is a necessary condition and a starting point towards a more consultative decision-making process that might grant more desirable outcomes.